Hello students. Now this is question number 3. We are doing exercise 4.5. Okay. This is fill in the blanks. In each of the following fill in the blank so as to make a statement true. Okay. Now first question is a number which can be expressed in the form p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. You know the definition of rational number, that is, so here fill rational number. Okay. Now question number second is if the integer p and q have no common divisor other than 1 and q is positive, then the rational number p by q is said to be in the standard rational form, because it is a simplest form, so it is called standard rational form. Okay. Now third question is two rational numbers are said to be equal if they have the same standard form, means the simplest form. If both the rational numbers are same, they are said to be in standard form. Okay. Now fourth number, if m is a common divisor of a and b, then a by b is equal to a divided by m, so b also divided by m, so right here b divided by m. Okay. Now fifth number is if p and q are positive integers, then p by q is a positive rational number and p by minus q is a negative rational number. So put here positive and put here negative. Okay. The standard form of minus 1, if we can write minus 1 as a form of p by q by writing minus 1 by 1. Okay, where p is minus 1 and q is 1. Okay. Now question number 7, if p by q is a rational number, then q cannot be 0. You know the definition of rational number, q cannot be 0. Okay, so fill here 0. 8th number is two rational numbers with different numerators are equal if their numerators are in the same ratio, okay, as their denominators. If both the rational numbers are in the same ratio in numerator they as the denominator, then they are in standard form. Okay, means they are equal. Now true and false. In each of the following state, if the statement is true, write true, and if false, write f or false. Okay, the first question is the quotient of two integers is always an integer. False, because the quotient of two integers when not divisible they are not is integer. Okay, so this is false. Now question number 2 is every integer is a rational number. This is true, because all the rational number belongs to all the integers is a part of rational numbers. Okay, rational number is a sum of whole number, natural number, integers, all together called rational number. Okay, fractions. Now every rational number is an integer. No, those number which are in fraction, that are not integers. Okay, like 2 by 5, 3 by 7, minus 9 by 4. Okay, it is 4 number. Every fraction is a rational number. It is true, because all the fraction we can write in the form of p by q, and in rational number also we can write it in the p by q, so it is true. Now every rational number is a fraction. It is false, because 2 is a rational number. All integers are rational number, but integers cannot be expressed as fraction. Okay, so it is false. Now if a and b is a rational number and m any integer, then a by b is equal to a into m by b into m is true. It is true, okay, because both the number are multiplied by same integers, okay, so it is true. If we want to cancel it, we get again a by b, okay, so it is true. Now two rational numbers with different numerators cannot be equal. It is false, okay, because they can be equal when they converted into standard form, okay. Suppose 2 by 3 and 6 by 9 are two different rational numbers, so when 6 by 9 is cancelled, we get it into 2 by 3, okay, so they are equal. It is false, okay. Now 8 can be written as a rational number with any integer as denominator. False. 8 cannot be written as a rational number except 1, okay. In any whole number we can write, in denominator we can write 1 as a denominator, okay. Other numbers cannot be written, so it is false.